Dear students, this is the first worksheet and about finding the area of a triangle. So we need to find the height. Height is given. This straight line in the middle of this triangle is the height of it. For example, it's 5 centimeter. And then the base. We need to know the base. This is the base, for example, of this triangle. And base is also given. It is 8 centimeter. Now we have a formula to find the area of a triangle. It's like area is equal to base multiply height. B is base and h is height, and then divided by 2. So this now base is 8, so 8 multiply h, which is 5, and divided by 2. So 8 multiply 5, we know that it's 40, and 2. So the area is 40 divided by 2 is 20 cm. How 40 divided by 2 is 20? It's like you can do like this too. 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 times 20 is 40. Or you can simply say how many 2's we have in 4. So we have 2 2's in 4, and this 0 put it here as well, and here it goes. So like it means if we multiply 2 with 20 we get 40. So the answer is 20 centimeter. So this is how we find the area of a triangle. Like you need to do the worksheet like this, and when you do it, check your answers and you're good to go.